Well, here we are in the Sunny Hill restoration area. Gonna check out those pines, look around a little bit. I've never been here. A few trails. I found out there's a group camp back here, so that's exciting. I'm gonna check out the campground too. There, I think that's adjusted perfect. All right, got Margaret today with us. I'll keep you in tune what's going on. There we go. There's where we are. Well, we did find a little bit of hair here. What we're going to do is we're going to collect it. I heard it's always good to put stuff in a paper bag. So I'm not going to touch the hair. I'm going to pick it up. Oh, try not to touch it anyway. I'm not sure. Probably could be deer. Sure.
Too light for a deer.
Unless it's a tail. Or something. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to try to figure it out. I don't know how, but I got a little microscope at the house. So what we can do is collect it, put it in here, in case it falls out. There. Okay. Guess we're going to try to go in there and see what's going on. I just want to show you this really cool trees back here. I'm just basically on a little nature walk today, but look at that. Gosh. Looks like an anthill. Looks like something stepped in it. And then there's a little trail that goes right back there to that beautiful area with those beautiful trees. That is interesting. It does look like something stepped right in it. That is a one big tree, and God knows. Oh, we would have a water source now. Interesting. So there's your water source. Well, this is, oh my, these trees are amazing. Look at that one. It's just, I mean, it doesn't do any justice how big this tree is. It's gorgeous. This is our first time back here in this area, so we're just checking it out for the day. It is beautiful. Yeah. So we found this little area. We're so impressed with all the water that we're finding. Like, I had no clue. And it's really sad because I've been living here for 30 years and I've never been back here. Not that there's any signs that we found yet, but definitely they could be thriving here. I mean, we just have to keep looking around because I will tell you, there is a lot of water. Swamp. And the tree that we're under right now is massive. Just massive trees, I'm telling you. Oh, that was my stomach growling. Go figure. It's endless. It's endless, the water supply. And the food supply. I guess there's tons of deer out here. Look at that tree. I haven't really found any structures, or I did see a couple possible prints, but look, that's possible. Did see a couple, could be portals.
Red bush over there.
Oh yeah, what is that? Man, this is so nice back here. Man. I just want to look at some of the stuff here. Kind of muddy. Oh, there's a break. Maybe from a deer. This area is absolutely stunning. Not seeing too much signs. This looks like all natural stuff in there. There's our first little structure sign back there. I can't get back there. We didn't bring the right shoes today because I had no clue what was back there, but I do see a little X. A couple clumps way back there. I'm not sure if you can see it. So the size of this tree, it's huge. I mean, it's really, really huge. And it really looks cool on the other side. You think I'm tree hunting today, right? I mean, that thing is... See, there's a camper over there. You can camp here, too. You can get a key, drive back here. I mean, if there were more signs. But right now, we're just still investigating and searching. Let's see what's going on. Oh, more water back there. Wow. Oh, let's go check it out. Now we know that horses can come out here as well, so we've got some horse tracks right there, but we were looking right here. Now the horse track here could have stepped on this print, but right here, let me see my stick for a minute. Right here could be a toe here. Then the horse stepped here. You just don't know. We'll never know. But we thought that was interesting. Margaret found that. Good find, just in case. And now keep walking. Saw this here now. You can see it, but it looks like it's a toe maybe right there and just a heel coming around here. I don't know. You don't know. But this spot would be a perfect place for something to live. I'm sure there's a lot of stuff living here. It looks like something's gonna chomping around this water because it's like different. Like up close, I don't know if you can see that. So up close here, I noticed, well, she noticed, I should say, how different it is in comparison to the back color, like dead. And then possible print right here, walking in. We can only hope, right? Okay, we just found something that is, we believe, possible, some kind of heron and maybe scat. So I'm going to have to look at it a little closer here. I'll get my stuff out. Let's see, I don't want to touch it, but it's, oh, you know what? It feels like, could it be horse poop with hair in it? I don't know. I'm going to have to probably put it in a bag. Just in case, because this looks like some kind of hair and poop. There are horses out here. I don't know. I'm going to package it up, I think. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to, I know I should have gloves, guys, but I forgot the gloves, so we're doing the best we can with what we got. Okay, we're going to try to put it there, and there, and there. And then I'm going to go this way with it. There. Okay, now. Alright, now. In the bag. Most of it's covered, so that's good. Alright. Yeah, we'll see what that is. Coming up to another huge pine tree. I don't know if I've ever seen one this big. Looks like there's a little log or something in the water right there. See it? It just looks like a log. But look at that pine tree with the red dot on it. It's huge. This area is amazing. Even if there's no real signs of Bigfoot here, Sasquatch, skunk ape, if you want to call it, it's so surreal. And the trees, I don't think I've ever seen so many big trees. Look at this pine tree. Go stand by that pine tree. That thing is massive. Good God. It must be on steroids, I think. They gave us some great steroids, boy. Look at that tree. We don't even know how far along this walk is, but we're enjoying every step. It's a nice day to get out. That's just massive. Just massive. And just... Does it have a nice pine knot? Surprised I haven't seen one little gator either. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Peculiar that you haven't seen.
That's a really nice tree. Oh, it's so big. It's so big.
Back east. That way north.
Mm-hmm. Airboat somewhere. Yeah, on the river. If anything I learned today, we found some gorgeous trees in a gorgeous area. I gotta get a picture of that big old oh man, beautiful. It's breathtaking is what it is. Well, to me it is anyway.
It is to me.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like to get under a tree and take a picture.
Up. Oh, we'll do that. That's a good idea. Well, we're walking out of our little area. To tell you the truth, it was just a beautiful, beautiful walk. I don't know, we must have walked miles beyond miles. Not really too many signs here. Maybe a possible passing of one with maybe a possible footprint. But other than that, it was just some beautiful big trees and a beautiful area. Now there's probably a lot more to explore than what we did today. We got a little bit rained on, but this crap we're walking in right here, this is hard terrain, and there has been no tracks at all on here. If they were, they're a million years old. Nothing identifiable, no toes. And that's our day, and I'm tired. Woo, it was a long walk, but a good day. Lots of beautiful trees today.